Hi guys, thanks for being here. Today I'm practicing drawing as a beginner artist. If you're just starting out too, let's take it one step at a time and learn together. I've spent a lot of time comparing my work to others, especially on social media. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that everyone else is doing better or that I'll never catch up. It can be discouraging at times, especially when I see amazing art that feels so far out of reach. But now I realize that everyone has their own pace. We're all on our own journey, and it's okay to be at different stages. It's not about where everyone else is, but about celebrating the progress I make every day, no matter how small. Now, let's dive into how I'm actually making this come together.